couple joyrides in the Subaru. It's fully functional and whatnot. It's driving around. There's still a couple minor things that I wanted to get done that I haven't gotten done. Put the AC lines back on. There's a tiny knob on the climate control that adjusts the hot to cold, so I gotta make sure and fix that also. Yeah, be back. Let's get to work. Okay, that knob right here is what controls the hot cold right here. Boom, 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 right? This lever, I can kind of see it moving because I'm moving it. That needs to attach to something. The thing that I just cut 2 seconds ago, which I mean, once I'm able to find it, the thing that I just cut, Jesus Christ, this knob that I just cut, I'm gonna kind of position it just so it's able to work properly, and then plastic weld this bitch together. So I failed to film that last sequence of events. I got the heat working in the car, and there was some issue with the noise with the clutch pedal. It just wasn't tightened. Next up, see if I can get the air conditioning working. Kind of just went in and hooked everything up. The compressor's down in here already. All the lines are connected. I had to extend the pressure switch over here. The lines are all in back there. So now I just got to pick up some Freon eventually. See if this AC system works.